Hello, good afternoon. For today's video, nag-i-start na tayo magpa-landscape. So, ito yung mga Hawaiian palm tree at saka royal palm. So, pinapatanim na natin. Daming saluyot dito. Napakasarap nitong saluyot nito. Yan. Fresh. So this is the royal palm at nasa gitna yung Hawaiian palm tree. Ayan. Para gumanda itong area na ito. Help me make it through the night. Yeah. It's such a willow. This is the rest house. Yeah. So hindi naman maulan dito sa Pangasinan. Kahapon, yesterday, heavy rain at saka kagabi. Buti na lang. Ayun, walang ulan. Although we have a typhoons. Napaka-presko dito. Super lamig. Maraming puno. Iba pa rin yung mga iba pa rin yung maraming puno. Nakakatulong sa climate change. Right? So this is the main door. So kaka-turn over lang itong house. So wala pa tayong gamit. Ayan. Ayan. So yan. So wala pa tayong talagang gamit. Ayan. Bagong purchase ng rep. Para meron na tayong ginagamit. Yun. In-install na rin yung malaking TV, smart TV. Ayun. Help me make it through the night. And it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right and wrong. Alright. So that's our kitchen. So meron pa tayong next project natin. So magpapatayo tayo dito ng outdoor kitchen. Diyan itatayo yung ating kitchen. Ayan. Di ba ang ganda? Napakaraming puno. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.